Welcome to the installation process of Reamaze Action Automation for Workflows. Search for App Marketplace, click on it, and then you search for the app. And you click on it as well. Then you click on Install, and then you head over to Allow and Install and click on it. Once you are done with your installation, reload the page, and then you search for the custom page of the app. This interface is going to pop up with all its features, such as the documentation, and everything you need to get started with the app is right in here. We have the tutorial feature, and in here you're going to see the Smart Queue video that's going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the setup feature. Let's walk you through on how to set up and connect your app. Click on the Start Setup, and you will be required an email, a token, and a brand to complete your configuration. Head to the account which we've created, and then click on the settings. Scroll down under the developer, you click on the API token. Then you click on generate new token. You allow access. Once your token has been generated, copy the token, head to your account, and you paste. Then come back to your account and you copy the subdomain. Head to your account and paste. Then you enter the email which you used to create your account in here. And then you click on the complete setup. And your app will be successfully connected. We have the support center where you'll be able to submit a detailed request and schedule a one-on-one video session with the support team. And the changelog feature that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements made on this specific app. To stay updated, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email, and then you click on subscribe. You've learned how to install, set up, and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and support. Thanks for watching.